In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Spafinder gift card. So for those people who do not know Spafinder is a website from where you guys can book yourself an appointment in a spa, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can redeem its gift card. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel one step with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment and let's get right into the video. First step is you want to go to the website called spafinder.com. Once you go to spafinder.com, you want to scroll a bit down and you want to choose, which massage or like which facility you want. So let's say I want to have the save $30 off an hour massage. I can click on it. Once I click on it, I can click on where it says claim this offer. Once I click on claim this offer, there's going to be two cards. You want to choose which card you have. Let's say I have a multi-use card of Spafinder, so I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, it's going to ask me to enter my card number and my CVV2 number and my valid through number as well. And after basically, entering all this number over here or in another word, all this information, basically what I can do is click on check your card balance. After I do that, basically my card will be redeemed and I should be able to get this, offer, which is save $30 off new clients like this. All right. So that's basically how you guys can redeem your Spafinder gift card. So hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.